Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Uchet. Alright, I believe we are all doing fine, and I believe that we are learning. We learn every day, isn't it? Alright, so quick one, we are going to be highlighting what we are going to be doing in this particular video. This is Protastructure 2018. This is Protastructure 2018. 2018 Protastructure is very fantastic. I can tell you that. Is that okay? All right. Now, many a times we discover that people are having issues with their steel aspect when it comes to Protastructure 2018. Understand? So, in this particular video, we are going to do one or two connections, and after we have done the connection, we are also going to detail it. Stay in the same Protastructure. This Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? So if you look at the interface, if you're familiar with Protastructure, you will definitely know that with this interface, this is a Protastructure 2018. Understand? All right. And this is a portal frame. Is that okay? This portal frame now is about 50 meters from here to this. Is that okay? From this point to this point here is 50 meters. Is that okay? All right. So work is still going on. Now you can see that we have not finished brazing. We have not done the brazing in between this and this rafter, this single section and this section. We have not done brazing, but just to show you, is that okay? And yet it has passed the design, which is a good one. All right, after loading and all of that, so we are going to be learning how to detail your steel member in Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? All right, so let's go there. Before we go, I want to say that you should try and click on like button and also subscribe if this is your first time. Is that okay? Because many are there, we have received a lot of messages about this particular video. That's why we want to produce it, and this is going to be part 1. Is that okay? All right, so let's see how we can go ahead. And that reminds me, we want to thank those people that have been subscribing and also that have been liking our video and also telling others about Ekidel. Is that okay? We really appreciate those of you that are telling people about Ekidel, and as a result they are subscribing and they are also commenting, and at the same time they are also going further to tell others. So we are receiving your messages and all of that. So thank you so much. God bless you. Is that okay? You are not producing, but at the same time we are helping others by liking and also subscribing and also telling people. Is that okay? We are working together. So thank you for being part of Ekidel team. Is that okay? All right, so let's go there. So once we have done this one like this, once we have finished your modeling and all of that, you can see this is not our area of concentration in terms of the pedestal. This is what we call pedestal. Some doesn't know what to mean by pedestal. When it comes to steel, this aspect, you see, this one now we call it column. Yes, you are right. But when it comes to the real term for this, we call it stanchion. Is that okay? We call this one stanchion. We couldn't call it a column. And some will say steel column, just to still what do you call it, clarify it, or to know that here is a steel but it's a column. They will say what? Steel column. But you are familiar with structure, you know that this is what we call what? Stanchion. This stanchion. Why this one is called what? Pedestal. Is that okay? This is pedestal, this is what? Stanchion. Is that okay? All right. And looking at this kind of structure, we call it a portal frame. Is that okay? This is a rafter. Is that okay? And we are used to, when it comes to wooden roofing, you know that when we have something like this, we call it rafter, isn't it? But in a steel form. Is that okay? Or we call it a single section. Is that okay? This is a single section roofing. All right. So having explained this now, so what we are going to be doing now is to now go to exporting it to Prota Steel. The format, you can see the design. Is that okay? You can see design, steel design. You can see concrete design. Is that okay? This is steel design and what? Concrete design. Steel design, concrete design. So I'll come to steel design. Come here and click on what? Load Prota Steel. Is that okay? Load Prota Steel. And once you click on it, automatically this one will now come up. Can you see it here? Is that okay? You can now see the interface of this Prota Steel that is actually different from that of a 2022, 2024, 2025 and 2026. Is that okay? All right. First of all, how do you now go about this connection? Is that okay? So now you have to take your time to go through all of this. Is that okay? You have to take your time to go through all of this. So looking at this now, for example, if I want to connect this and this, is that okay? This one and this one, I want to connect this. This is a beam, and this is a what? Stanchion, which normally we call it column. So I'll come here now. Normal people, they will call it column, but they call it stanchion. So the beam and the stanchion, you can see it here. You can see this pattern. This one is at an angle, and we need something like that. If you click on it, you can now see what is given. You can now see the picture of the kind of connection that we want to use. Is that okay? Now, if you want to do settings on this, if you just click on it, it will now come up. And if you press your shift key to click on it, it will not still come up. But if it's for you to do settings, but if it's Protastructure 2022 or 2025 and above, or 2024 and above, if you just press your shift key down and click on this particular member, understand, it will pop up. A dialog box will appear for you to do your editing. But in this case, Prota 2018, you don't press your shift key, you don't just click, you just do what? Go to that place and just right click. And once you just right click on it, understand, a dialog box will definitely appear. Can you see? It's coming up. Is that okay? It's coming up. So let's wait for it. It's coming up. Here it is. You can see it now that it has popped up. Can you see? So your plate, your thickness and all of that, your bolt thickness and all of that, these are the settings, your welding thickness, all of that. So you have to choose it, you have to enter it. Is that okay? And once that one is done, you click on apply and okay. Is that okay? All right. So now once you have done that now, so you can now come to this place now. You can now come to this place, just click, because you want to insert it, and click on the main member first, and this one automatically, can you see it now? So I can go to the next one now, click on this, and this one, it will appear, and this one, and this one, it will appear, and this one, and also this one, it will appear. Can you see? Then escape key, is that okay? And now click on any of them, or click on this particular one, then rotate. Can you see? So you can now see my connection. Can you see it? You can see the connection here. We have connected our beam to this particular column. Is that okay? They are connected. Now what about this place now? This particular place, how do you go about it? Because the way you go about it here is different. When you want to connect beam to beam, this is the apex now, apex hunch. Is that okay? If you want to connect it now, you come to this place. Can you see? Can you see it now? Can you see? Apex hunch. Can you see it? So if you move your cursor, if you are used to detail using a Protastructure 2022 or 2024, 2025 and 6, understand, when you come here, you actually know what each of them are meant for. Is that okay? Once you put your cursor on any of them. So looking at this one now, this is the apex hunch. Is that okay? This is my apex hunch. Let me see. This is my apex hunch. Can you see now? So I'll click on it, then come and click here, and it appears. Can you see it? As simple as this. Is that okay? After you have done your settings, is that okay? You go to the next one, and click. Can you see it now? Can you see? Is that okay? Come here now, come to this place again and click etc. Is that okay? So now when it comes to Poline also, so you can see, let's just use this one. Okay, let's assume this particular one, this second one. Okay, let's deal with the second one. Is that okay? All right. So when it's now come to connecting your polines, is that okay? We come to this particular place. Can you see? Can you see? After you have done your setting 2, is that okay? You click on it and then come here and insert. Is that okay? I can insert it. Click on this one, and then this one. Can you see? It has appeared. Is that okay? So escape. Let me escape. I can now double click on this one now, on this macro. Double click on it. A dialog box will appear. So from this dialog box now, I can decide to change the pattern of this. Is that okay? Of this, by coming to this place, you can see angle. I'll click on what? Apply. Can you see what is happening? Then if I come to this bracket type, I'll click on apply. Can you see it? Can you see it here? Can you see it? If I come to this place now, click on this one, I click on apply. So can you see different pattern? Folded plate type. I can come here, click on this. Can you see it? So whichever one you want, simple apply. Can you see it now? So anyone you want is what you want, you go for. Is that okay? If I click on angle type, apply. No, let's put a simple and then apply and click on OK. Is that okay? All right. So it's already at default. Is that okay? So now once I've done that, I can come and continue. Is that okay? I can come and continue. Click on this one and this one. Okay, this one and this one. Is that okay? So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is how you continue. This one, this one, this one. Is that okay? This one, and this one. Is that okay? Oh, sorry. Let me just click on this. Let me rotate. Okay, perfect. Can you see it now? Can you see it? You can see what we are having. Can you see it now? So you can now see how we are arranging our connections. Is that okay? So we are still going to enter into the detailing aspect of it. Is that okay? All right, so I'll just continue now from here to this point. Yes, then click here, here, and here. Is that okay? You don't have to right click once you have selected the members. So this is how you go about it. Is that okay? All through. Is that okay? This is how you go about it all through. So I haven't done it like this now. You can see this is how you go through it all to this point and also to this other side and all of that. So let me just put few here. Let me put few here. Is that okay? Let me put few here. Okay, click on this, this and this. Okay, click on this and this. This. Okay, this one. Sorry, I'm already used to still design, so that's why is that okay? All right. Okay. All right. Click on this and this one. The most important thing, make sure that it's well loaded. Is that okay? If it has been loaded properly, not overloading. Is that okay? And you know how to go about your connections, you enjoy still design. Is that okay? All right. So I haven't done this one now like this. Okay, let's stop here. So I haven't done this particular one like this. So the next thing now, how do you now detail it? Is that okay? For me to detail this particular this way, the next thing, how do you now go about detailing it? Is that okay? How do you now go about detailing it? Is that okay? Well, since we already have it here, the same way we have here, in order to do the length of this video, I don't need to go to the other side. Is that okay? And be doing it, because whatever thing I'm doing here is the same thing to the other side, isn't it? All right. Okay, so how do you not detail it? First of all, I need to number it. Is that okay? I have to select all of them, select it, and let's allow it to be selected. Is that okay? At this point, if you have not clicked on like button, I want to say please hit the like button. Is that okay? Because the more you like, the more you to make this video to go viral. Now, how do you now go about numbering this particular one? So you come to this place, join. Can you see join and report? Click on it and come to this place. You can see numbering. Can you see numbering? Then click on perform numbering. Click on it. Then click on start, apply and start. Let's wait for it. Okay, completed. I'll click on what? On apply, and then click on close. Now, I haven't numbered it now. So the next thing now, I want to click on this one. I can click on this one now. Then I'll come here now. If I say I want to detail this one only, good and fine. Is that okay? But don't forget that during the fabrication, the poline, poline connection is going to be welded to this rafter, and it will come with it, isn't it, to site, isn't it? And when it comes to site, at the side, you will now begin to join this poline to this particular connector. Is that okay? All right. So invariably, we are going to have a what we call it select assembly. Right click. You can see highlight assembly. Can you see that the term here is different from what? From a Protastructure 2022 and above. Is that okay? You come to this place, highlight assembly, click on it. Is that okay? Then right click. Can you see it's already selected? And now click on show only selected. Can you see? You can now see. Can you see? Can you see the job? So you can see. Wow. Can you see it now? So if assume we have done it up to the end, because this one is single. Is that okay? This one is single one. So can you see? Can you see the connection here? Sorry. Can you see this other side? We can also see this place now. Is that okay? And once we have it like this, can you see? So once you now have it like this now, you can from here you can detail it. Is that okay? I can now right click now and click on come down to drawing, create drawing. Click on the create drawing and let's wait for it. Is that okay? It's still coming up. All right. So that is that. So I can now come here now. Is that okay? I'll click on OK. So let's wait for it. Okay, so I can now come here now, double click on this place, double click, so you can now see it, see the number here. Then I'll come here and double click on this one and let's wait for it. Can you see? Let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see it now. So you can see it has finished. I'll come here now, so you can now see, you can see it how it has been brought out for us. You can now see your connection. You can see your connection, your poline. Can you see it here? Can you see the interval? Can you see everything? Can you see it? You can see it here. Can you see it? Is that okay? Can you see from here to here? You know, we jump some. Is that okay? Just to show how the polines are going to be. Is that okay? All right. So having done this one now like this, you can see it and also come to this place now. You can see. Can you see it? You need this one now, so you can see if you are facing the connection, yes, the polyline connection, you will see these two bolts, isn't it? Now, how is the shape like? Can you see the shape? Well detailed, well detailed. Can you see it now? Understand? So this is how to go about it. You need this one for printing, and you also need this one for printing. Is that okay? So that is that. For the hunch side, can you see? You can see it here. If you are facing it upright, is that okay? Side or sideways, can you see it now? How is being arranged and the interval in between the bolts, can you see? And also from one bolt to the other on this side is what is 100, and from the center to the edge is what 30, which make the total of what 150. Is that okay? All right. So that is that. So once we have all of this, so let's also come again. Which other thing? Okay, if you are looking at upright, that hunch, can you see? Is that okay? You can see it if you are facing it. So this is just how to go about it. This tag now, you can see CC and this DD. So how do you locate this CC and DD? You come to this place where they are being numbered. Is that okay? You come to this place now. This place is that okay? Let's see, this one is number 8. You can see CC, you can see C, section CC, you can see section C. Can you see where it's facing? Is that okay? So that is that. Now once you have done it this way, now you have this one already, isn't it? You have this one already, so I can name it. Is that okay? Then I can come here now, double click here, and click and make it as what? Rafter. You can see this place is already selected. I'll make it what? Rafter. Is that okay? Rafter. So that's my rafter detail. So I'll now come here now and click on is there any apply? Okay, I'll just click on OK. Is that okay? Can you see it here? If you see my cursor, can you see the name has been changed? I'll come to this place now and click on close and then click on yes. Is that okay? Now when it's Protastructure 2022, there's a place you see something detailed drawing in bracket control plus D. You double click, it will take you back to that place, but in this case now you don't have it. Is that okay? You just come here and click on close. Can you see it has brought me here now? I'll right click and then click on what show all. Can you see? This is it. Now, haven't done this one like this. The next thing now is how do you now detail this particular aspect, this particular one now, for example. So I'll just detail only one. Understand? Because whatever thing I have done on one, understand, on this one is the same thing that we are going to do to all of these. Okay, I'll do one of these and also come to this other side. This other side I'll do one, and then also this one I'll do detail of this one and also come here and do one. Is that okay? All right, let's start with this. So first of all, I'll select this. Is that okay? I'll select this one. Select this one now. I'll come to this place. Can you see detailing item manager? Click on this, then come here. I believe you can also see all this one. You can also see it in the Protastructure 2022 and above. Is that okay? All right, so I'll name it okay, PL1. That's polyline connection 1. So click on add and then click on select object. I'll select this one, and this one. Right click. Can you see that one have been done? So where do I want to see? Based on you want to see everything. You can see the back, you can see the top, you can see the right, you can see the front, you can see the left, you can see the bottom, and above all you also need the 3D. To get the 3D, you click on this one, and then click on what? On close. We are done with that. So I also go to the other side. Is that okay? Let's just do it, because even the section, we are going to cut the section in this video. All right, so I'll select this one also. Where is it? Okay, here. All right, I'll name it as what? PL2. Then click on add, click on select object. Then let's move this one somewhere. Then click on this one and this one. Then right click. I'll come to this place now, bring this one back again. I want to see the back, and this one, and also this one. Is that okay? And then the 3D, then click on what? On close. All right, that's okay for that. Then I'll come here now, the same thing applicable to this. So I'll select this one now like this. Is that okay? I'll select this one now like this, come to this place now. Understand? I'll press this hunch. Is that okay? Hunch. Is that okay? Hunch 1. Let me say yes, 1. Is that okay? Click on add and then click on select object. Come here. Okay, select this object, select this one also, then right click, captured. So I'll come here. I want to see the back, I want to see this one, I want to see this, and also the 3D. What else again? Okay, then click on what? On close. Is that okay? I also come to this place now. I'll also come to this place now, select this one. Is that okay? If you look at it, this one has been selected. I press my shift key, sorry, control key, then click on this, then now zoom this one to see this place, then click on this. Can you see they selected that particular one? So I can now come here now. Is that okay? And also this angle, is it angle connection or okay? Let me just say angle connection. Is that okay? Come on, just click on this. Is that okay? Any name you want to put, and then when you get to, just put it here. Is that okay? I've forgotten the name, right? Okay, I think I've forgotten the name. Yes, it's okay. So just understand what I'm trying to do here. So I'll click on select object, then come here, select this one, then right click, captured. Understand? I will now come to this place now. Click on this, click on this, click on this, and then plus, and then click on close. Alright, so you can now see that we have captured all of this one now. Is that okay? So the next thing now is to cut my section. Is that okay? How do you cut your section? You discover how to cut your section. How do you go about it? Alright, so what I'll do, I'll go to 2D view, double click on the 2D. Can you see it has brought me here? If you look at it now, all our polylines are not showing. I'll double click here. Then you can now see this place now turn to 0, just as usual if you're used to detailing. So I'll click on apply and click on what on close. Okay, can you see it now? They have all appeared. You can see that this is the part that we worked on, isn't it? All right, so the next thing for me to cut my my section now, I'll come to this view. Can you see the view here? I'll now come to this particular where's it? View to no where is it? I saw, where is it? Select by part. No, I'm coming by 2 points. Okay, create view. Can you see create view? Can you see now? See it here, create view, and come here. What by 2 points? Can you see by 2 points? So click on it and then come here now. Come here, this here yellow line. Click on it. Then let's go. Okay, let's go, and come here now, straight to this place now, and click on this yellow also, and let's wait. So can you see it now? Can you see how it has brought out our section for us? Perfect one section. Can you see now? It has brought it out for us. So once we have done this one, I can double click here. Is that okay? I name it as my what? Sec. Is that okay? Sec A. Then I'll click on what? On apply and click on OK. Is that okay? Can you see sec A? So that is that. I can now come to this place now. Ctrl plus D. Can you see to take me to that part? Sorry. Before this one, let's close. Is that okay? Right click and click on show all. Okay, no 3D. Okay. Now, how do I want to see this one? I have to position this one well, very well. How I want to see it in AutoCAD. Is that okay? Okay. Let's see something like this. Is that okay? Something like this. Is that okay? Position properly. Okay, I'll come to this place now. Drawing, Ctrl plus D. Double click on it. Then from here, I'll click on Drawing Manager. Double click on it. Then you can now see my rafter. Okay, sorry. There's something we have not done. Is that okay? Close it and also close this one. Now, if you want to detail only this column now, select it, then right click and also come here. You can select assembly, click on it. Is that okay? So then right click and click on show only selected. Can you see? Can you see it now? You can see it. You can see our column, our stanchion. Can you see it now? So I can now come here. Assuming we have done our base plate, which is going to be next part. Is that okay? How to do your base plate in Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? That's why you need to click on what's on like button. Like button, because the more you like and the more you comment, the more you know that yes, people are in need of it, and we can now go further to do that. Is that okay? So I can now right click on this one and come to this place now. Assembly drawing, click on it and let's wait for it. Is that okay? Alright, so I'll now click on this one. So let's wait, double click on this. So you can now see this one here, then double click on this and let's wait for it to also. Okay, I'll click on what? On close. So can you see it now? So you can see it. Can you see? You can see this is it now. This is main member. So you can see it. What is the length? 6 point something meters. That's the length. Can you see it now? And it's this and this. Can you see? Is that okay? And you can now see the connection. Can you see it? So you can now see the connection, how it's going to be arranged. Can you see it? So all of this, can you see it now? So I can now click on this one now, double click here, and name it as my what, column or stanchion st. Then I'll click on what, on okay, yes, all right, st is there. Then click on close, and then click on yes, okay, and then click on to this place and click on close. Automatically, can you see it here? I'll right click and click on show all. All right, it's okay then. So I haven't done all of this like this now, so let's now position it. Let's now go for final stage. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. Okay, position is how I want to see in AutoCAD. Is that okay? Then I'll now come here now, Control plus D, double click on it, and then come here, double click on this one now. Where do I want to keep it? I want to keep everything under rafter. Is that okay? Double click on rafter to come up. Is that okay? All right, can you see? If you know what you are doing, you can do your steel detailing in Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? I'll click on close. Is that okay? So here now, in this place now, so first of all, I'll bring my 3D. Click here, right click and click on create viewpoint. Is that okay? Can you see it here now? So I'll click on it and bring it to this side, so you can now see it now. So now come to this place, that section. I'll click on this one again, and I can you see it? I also bring this one under here. Is that okay? So now the next thing, all those detailing I've done, how do I bring it out? Same thing, click on this. Is that okay? Or you select it. Is that okay? Select. I'll come to this place and click on what, connection detail drawing macro. Click on it and let's wait for it to appear. Is that okay? Fantastic. All right, so can you see it now? So we can see it. This one is for Poline. Can you see? It's for Poline. So you can now see. You can see our Poline. Can you see? You can see can you see it? You can see our Poline. Can you see? It shows this is a Poline. This is a steel member. Is that okay? This is your steel member. And if you want, where is that thing? Where is that one? Okay, can you see it? If you are facing it, can you see this side too? This one is also two side. Can you see? All right, which we also need, and also this 3D. Is that okay? The next one is this. Can you see our apex? So can you see our apex? Can you see it? Either the front you want to see for your detail, you can use this one or this one, whichever one. The same thing. So then you can now see the right. Can you see the boats? Can you see the boats? The boat, and can you see the boats? Is that okay? So that is that, and the 3D. You can see the 3D here. Is that okay? And come to this other side. Can you see? You can see it. So you can also see it. You can see if you are facing it. Can you see the boats? Is that okay? Can you see the boat? Can you also see this one? Either front or back? Is that okay? And the 3D. You can see the 3D. Perfect. Good job. Is that okay? It went ahead to even show you. Can you see your Poline side? Can you see? Perfect job. So the next thing now. The next thing. Where's our other detailings or details? This is it. Okay. Yes. I think that is all. Yes. This is all. This is all that we need. Yes, so that is all. So you can now see that we are able to detail all of this. Can you see? Even this one also. Can you see? Can you see it? Circled, captured. Is that okay? So what about dimension? How do you now dimension it now? Can you see dimension here? Is that okay? You can dimension it and come to this place. Is that okay? From this point to this point, just the same way. Can you see it now? So coming to this place now, and also come to this place, click on this. Then the next one is here. Is that okay? I'll also come to this other side, click on this one, then this one again. So this is how you continue. Is that okay? Till the end. Is that okay? So let me click on this one for the last one, then move away a little, then right click. Can you see it now? Understand? So if you want vertical, also see the vertical one here. Is that okay? From this point here, from this point, what is the height to this point here, and also to this particular one here. Is that okay? Above the ground level, then the foundation is what this. Can you see? I can now move away and then like this and right click. Can you see it now? And also if I click on this one now, horizontal. Is that okay? I'll go for horizontal. So I'll come here now, click on this and come here. Am I correct? Let's see from here. Let me see from here. Okay, horizontal. Then from this point here to this point here. Okay, then move down a little, then right click. So can we see it? 50,000 millimeters. Can you see? And design and pass the design. You can see it yourself. Is that okay? So all right, this is how to go about this. Is that okay? So, and if you want to now take it to AutoCAD now, if you are using AutoCAD, understand, you can now export to AutoCAD. So since I have all my detailing here, I'll come here now, click on this and click on say yes. Is that okay? So now once we get to this place now, just come back to this place and double click here. Is that okay? So I can now come here now. Is that okay? Okay, ST, which one is, we did not bring up ST, so let's go back. Is that okay? Let's go back. Okay, it's already there. I think it's there. Yes, it's there. Everything came out that time. Is that okay? Everything came out that time. Okay, that's our stanchion. Stand for our stanchion, which we are going to be exporting. Is that okay? There's no need of this. Is that okay? Cancel it, but let's just wait for it. This is our stanchion. Is that okay? We shortcut. We said stanchion. Is that okay? So close it. Let me close this one. I've saved it already. I'll say no. I don't want to save again. So I'll come back here. Is that okay? So I want to detail it now. I want to export it now. So as usual, I'll just come select this one. Select this one. Don't forget that other details are what are inside rafter. Am I correct? And the only one that is on its own is what on its own is a what stanchion. Is that okay? It's a stanchion. If you want to see this story 2, you could select it. Anything if you want to see everything, you select it and also come here now and click on export DXF. Is that okay? Click on it, and once you click on it, understand, so you can now come here and select where do you want to save it. Is that okay? Where do you want to save the work? Is that okay? You select it, look for it. Is that okay? You look for it. Okay, let me see, where's my desktop? Okay, desktop. So under desktop, let's be going gently. Okay, I want to save it here. I want it here. I can click on this and let's wait for it. Is that okay? Let's wait for it to finish. Is that okay? So in case you have not clicked on like button, I want to say click on like button, like this video, because the more you like, as I said, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. A lot are really waiting for this particular video, how to detail your steel member in Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? All right, so let's wait for it. It's working on it. So it has finished now. So let's now see. Is that okay? So you can now see under for try. Is that okay? I save it under here. So we can now see our rafter. Is that okay? You can see our rafter here. So I can now double click on it. Is that okay? To bring it up for us. Is that okay? Let me pause it to reduce the length of this video now. All right. So you can now see it now in AutoCAD. Can you see? You can see our work. Is that okay? Can you see it? You can see our work here. Can you see? You can see our work. Can you see it here? You can see it. Perfect. Can you see it? So this is how to go about it. This is part 1. Is that okay? And if you know this one, in fact, automatically 80% you are good to go with detailing using Protastructure 2018 Protasteel. Is that okay? So this is how to go about. You can see our dimensions. Can you see? You can see it here. The one we have dimensioned. Can you see it? Is that okay? Can you see this 6 meter height? Is that okay? All right, so this is how to go about this. Is that okay? All right, now next video we'll also be showing you some other thing in Protastructure 2018 in terms of steel. Is that okay? All right, how to go about pedestal and how to get your design status if it's past design and all of that. You'll be seeing that in Protastructure 2018. Is that okay? Thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say bye. Till then.